Never seen such a picky bird in all my life. Jeez. And you put out roast beef and he ignores it. Can you believe it? Spoiled is what he is. Oh, there he goes. Picky bird. I put out roast beef. He's like, oh, the hell with that. Doesn't like the camera. This is his mate. That's the male. Don't like that at all. There's more cheese there for you. Go ahead. They don't like the camera at all. He sits down there for an hour. You pull out the camera and practically jumps on my shoulder. Here he is. Yeah, there's cheese there. Picky bird. Oh, I love the cheese. What's the matter? You don't like roast beef? Huh? You don't like the roast beef. He throws it on the ground. What a picky bird. Harvey, you're bad. You're a bad, bad bird. I love you, though. Best kind of pets there are. Feed them, they give you enjoyment, and then they go home. And once in a while, they crap all over the place, but... Right, Harv? You're a beautiful bird at that. Seagull that doesn't like roast beef. What's next? I like the hot dogs. And the cheese, they just go nuts for. You talk to him. He put the roast beef, threw it down on the deck. Picky bird. Listen, that's all you're getting. You had 2 hot dogs and 4 pieces of cheese. You can eat me out of house and home. And then they got babies somewhere. You see that red dot on the beak there. So they got babies somewhere, I'm sure. Must have a snowstorm tomorrow, so I'm surprised they're not eating that roast beef. They don't eat it. I'm certainly not going to eat it. That's for sure. Hey. Harvey, my buddy. He's waiting for me to get in there. Give him some fresh mackerel. That's what he's waiting for.